the weekend. Are you free to hang out tonight? No, I have a plan. 안녕하세요. This is KSTYLEYO. So today I'm going to talk about this phrase, I have a plan. If you're new here, my name is Inyoung. I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So let's talk about how to say this phrase properly. I have a plan in Korean. First of all, what is plan? Plan can be a verb or a noun. Let's start with a verb. 계획하다. 계획하다. When you have G and H together, G as the last consonant and H of ha is the first consonant. In that case, it sounds more like K. 계획하다. 계획하다. That's a verb, to plan. If you want to say plan as a noun, 계획, you just remove do, which is 하다. 계획. So how do we say I have a plan? 저는 plan, 계획. 계획 is an object noun. 있어요. Why did I use which is subject particle? Because of 있다 verb. That is to have or to exist. This verb can never have object noun. I did talk about this in more details in a different video. If you're interested in checking it out, please click the I button here and watch the video as well. 저는 계획이 있어요. I have a plan. That is polite speech if you want to say casual. 나는 계획이 있어. Most likely you're gonna say that in casual to your friends. But if you guess that this is what you're gonna say that to your friends, that is way too simple. Obviously we don't say 계획. That's why I'm making this video. If you're to say 계획, it sounds like you've got a plan to do something as in achieving goals. For example, we say 신년 계획. That is New Year's goals. 신년, that's New Year's, 계획, plan. So plans for the new year. New Year's goals. 신년 계획이 뭐예요? What's your plan for the new year? 신년 계획이 뭐예요? When you use 신년 계획 as an object noun, you use this verb 세우다, which means to set up. 신년 계획 세웠어요? Did you make plans for the new year? If your New Year's goals is to improve your Korean language, give it a thumbs up. So now, how do we actually answer to the friend who wants to hang out with you? Instead of 계획, you say 약속. Have you heard of this word 약속? This means promise. 저는 약속 있어요. I have promises with someone else. That's in polite speech. In casual speech, 나는 약속 있어. 나 약속 있어. You can omit subject particle. 나 약속 있어. When you want to say make promises, you use a verb 잡다, which is grab. We say grab promises. 약속을 잡다. How about breaking promises? 약속을 깨다. If you want to say keep promises, 약속을 지키다. 약속 지켜. Keep your word. I hope whatever your 신년 계획 is for 2020, 약속을 꼭 지키길 바래요. I hope you keep your promises. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Please share this video with your friends and family who want to learn Korean language and culture. If you have any questions or thoughts, please comment down below. Make sure to check out the link in the description below to get the summary PDF for free about this video. Until next time, bye bye!